Hello students, 12th standard maths chapter matrices. Under that topic product of matrices, we are going to learn again how to multiply two matrix of order 2 by 2. So our first matrix is 1934 and second matrix is B 5 6 -1 and 8. Matrix is closed. Now check order of first matrix is 2 rows means 2 multiply by 2 columns means multiply by 2. 2 rows 2 column, the order is 2 by 2. Now check order of matrix B. Here again we have 2 rows, so write 2 multiply by, now count number of columns 1 and 2, so here again 2, the order is 2 by 2. Column of matrix A and row of matrix B are same, so they will get cut out. The product matrix will get order of 2 by 2. The order I said of matrix AB will be 2 by 2. Green 2 and yellow 2 will determine the order of product matrix AB. Now check the style of AB will be what? The elements will be A11, A12, A21, A22. These are written as per their column and row prescriptions. Now AB is equal to, AB means multiplication of matrix A and matrix B. So we return matrix A 1934 and matrix B 5 6 -1 and 8. To multiply them, the style will be of this 2 by 2 setting you have to prepare. We are preparing 2 by 2 means 2 rows 2 columns. Now first place element will be A11. How to determine A11? First row first column. Now multiply first number by first number 1 into 5 and second number by second number 9 into -1. Correct? Now second place of element will be A12 means first row second column. First row and second column. Let's multiply first by first 1 into 6 plus second by second 9 into 8. Correct? Now third element place will have element A21 means second row first column. Second row first column multiply first number by first number 3 into 5 plus second number by second number means 4 into -1. Now the last place of element will be of style A22 means second row second column. Second row second column. Students, multiply first by first 3 into 6, second by second 4 into 8. Correct? Now let's simplify these elements. AB, arrange again 2 by 2 place for the solution, 2 rows and 2 columns. Solve 5 minus 9, 6 plus 72, 15 minus 4 and 18 plus 32. Now final answer will be 5 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 6 plus 72 is 78. 15 minus 4 is 11. 18 plus 32 is 50. So this is your answer. Let's take second example. Matrix A, we are taking minus 5, 9, 3, 4. Matrix A is complete. Now see matrix B. Matrix B, 5, minus 2, minus 1, 8. Second matrix also complete. Now check order. Order is simply you are getting now 2 rows. Therefore 2 multiply by columns, check 1 and 2. So again column is 2. 2 by 2 is the order. Now check order for matrix B. First check number of rows. We are we are counting 1 row, 2 row. Now multiply by number of columns 1 and 2. 2 columns are there. So the order, to decide order of product, first cancel column of matrix A and row of matrix B. They are same, we can cancel, that means product we can find, and the order of the product will be green 2 and yellow 2. Green 2 and yellow 2 means 2 by 2. The remaining numbers will decide order of the product matrix. Now check product matrix will look like what? It will look like A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now students, let's go for multiplication. AB is equal to matrix A multiplied by matrix B. That means matrix A minus 5, 9, 3, 4. And matrix B, we will write side of it 5, minus 2, minus 1 and 8. Second matrix is also complete. Now multiply AB. To multiply AB, we arrange 2 by 2 order place. For elements, the order place will be required in the style 2 by 2. So place is ready. First element will be of the style A11, means first row, first column. Multiply first number by first number, minus 5 multiply by 5, plus second number by second number, 9 multiply by minus 1. Now second element place will be of style A12, means first row, second column. First row, second column, let's multiply first number by first number, minus 5 multiply by minus 2, and second number by second number, means 9 multiply by 8. Similarly, third place element will be of style A21, that means second row and first column. Let's multiply them order wise. First multiply by first means 3 multiply by 5, and second multiply by second means 4 multiply by minus 1. Middle sign will be always plus. Now fourth element will be of style A22, means second row, second column. We are taking second row, second column. Now students, multiply them. First by first, 3 multiply by minus 2, plus second multiply by second, 4 into 8. Now these dark blue elements we will simplify. For 4 dark blue places, we are arranging again in 2 by 2 order. 5 5s are 25, minus 25, plus 9 1s are 9 but minus 9, 10 plus 72, 5 3s are 15, minus 4 and minus 6 plus 32. The final answer minus 25 minus 9 is minus 34, 10 plus 72 is 82, 15 minus 4 is 11 and 32 minus 6 is 26. Now we are taking third example. Third example, minus 5, 9, minus 3, 4 and the second matrix B, 5, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Matrix complete. Now students, check order of matrix A. There are 2 rows, therefore 2 multiply by. Now check number of columns. First column, second column, means columns are also 2 only, so order is 2 by 2. Now check order of matrix B. First row, second row, so 2 multiply by. Now count number of columns, 1 and 2. Number of columns are 2. So order is 2 by 2. Now check column of matrix A and row of matrix B are same. They will get cancelled. And when you will multiply matrix A, matrix B, the product matrix will get order of remaining numbers 2 and 2. Green 2 and multiply by yellow 2. Remaining numbers of bracket green and yellow will decide your order for matrix AB. And matrix AB will be of the format, the elements will be of the format A11, A12, A21 and A22. Bracket close. Now students, let's actually multiply matrix A and B. So write matrix A and matrix B side by side. Middle sign will be multiplication. Matrix A is minus 5, 9, minus 3, 4 and side of it matrix B is 5, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Bracket close. Now students, we are going to multiply. For multiplication, arrange for elements place 2 by 2 order, means 2 rows and 2 columns should be arranged for the elements. Now the first element will be of the style 1 1, means first row, first column. Now multiply first number by first number, minus 5 multiply by 5, plus second number by second number, 9 multiply by minus 1. Similarly, second element place will be of the style 1 2, means first row and second column. Now multiply first by first, means minus 5 multiply by minus 2, plus second by second, means 9 multiply by 0. Now third place will be A21. A21 means second row, first column. Let's multiply first by first, minus 3 multiply by 5, plus second by second, 4 multiply by minus 1. Similarly, the last element will be of style A22. A22 indicates second row, second column. So second row and second column we hold. Now multiply first by first, minus 3 multiply by minus 2, plus second by second, 4 multiply by 0. Now solve these dark blue brackets and again write in the same order 2 by 2. So we are arranging the blue dark brackets box in the style 2 by 2. Solution will be minus 25, minus 9, 10 plus 0, minus 15, minus 4, 6 plus 0. Now students, after solving carefully, final answer minus 25 minus 9 is minus 34, 10 and 0 is 10, minus 15 minus 4 is minus 19, 6 and 0 is 6. So this is your final answer. Now fourth example on your screen. Fourth example is the last example for the lecture. Minus 5, 9, minus 3 and minus 8. Second matrix is B. 11, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Now check the order. How many rows are there? 1 and 2, means 2 rows are there. Multiply by number of columns, means 1 and 2. So the order is 2 by 2. Now order of matrix B, check number of rows, 1 and 2. 2 rows are there, so write 2 and multiply by number of columns. So check columns 1 and 2. 2 columns are there, write there 2. The order is 2 by 2. Now check column of matrix A and row of matrix B should match for multiplication. They are matching, so cut them, and order of the product matrix will be of 2 by 2. The green 2 and yellow 2 will meet together and determine the order of product matrix AB. So order of matrix AB will be 2 by 2 and matrix AB will be of the format A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now students, let's go for actual multiplication. So we are considering AB. AB means matrix A multiplied by matrix B. So both matrix we are writing simultaneously in multiplication format. Minus 5, 9, minus 3, minus 8, and multiply by matrix B, 11, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. So students, we know the product matrix will be of the order 2 by 2. So arrange boxes for the elements. 2 by 2 means 4. 2 by 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. Totally 4 elements will come. First element will be of style A11. A11 means first row, first column. Now multiply carefully first with first. Minus 5 multiplied by 11 plus second by second. 9 minus 1. 9 multiplied by minus 1. Now second element will be of the format A12, means first row, second column. Again multiply first by first, minus 5 multiply by minus 2 plus second by second means 9 multiply by 0. Now third element will be of style A21, means second row, first column. So multiply first by first, minus 3 multiply by 11 plus minus 8 multiply by minus 1. Correct? Fourth element will be of style A22, means second row, second column. Second row, second column. Students, multiply first by first, minus 3 multiply by minus 2 plus second number by second number, minus 8 multiply by 0. Now next line we are writing AB is equal to, format will be of 2 by 2, means 4 boxes. First box solution is minus 55 minus 9. Second 10 plus 0. Third minus 33 plus 8. And fourth 6 plus 0. So finally we got minus 55 and minus 9 is minus 64. 10 and 0 is 10. Minus 33 and 8 is minus 25. 6 and 0 is 6. So we got final answer for fourth question also. On screen your homework is there. Try it honestly and share this video to your friends. Thank you.